send me message. I will help you. Doesn't matter, but very important. Whenever you are studying mathematics, any level, Pythagoras is there. You have to. That is why for Pythagoras mobile number and ID, all teachers gave you. Okay? Remember that. Now what we need, this one here, is a Pythagoras theorem. Altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So let the base be, let the base be x. Okay, base is x. Mark it, all of you. A, B, C. Base is x. Less than is base. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter. Altitude means perpendicular. 7 centimeter less than base. So x minus 7. S minus 7. Okay. Hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. MashaAllah, we got. Now form the equation. I think you can make the quadratic equation now. Quadratic equation. Form the equation now. All of you draw the figure. Base, altitude, and hypotenuse. Now, according to the question, AC, according to the question, what you can do? Tell me according to the question. Manipulate. Extend this one. All of you write this one, Aja. All Fatimas.
X square plus x minus 7 whole square is equal to 13.
Very good. 13 square. S square plus x minus 7 whole square. That is equal to 13 square. Now find out. Draw the figure and write this one. S square plus s minus 7 whole square. That is equal to 13 square. Because Pythagoras theorem. Now we can find out. Find out. Do fast. I'm waiting for you. All of you do. And tell me the answer. Those who got the answer, tell me. Okay, carry on. Here, s square, then a minus b all square means s square minus 2 sevens are 14x plus 7 sevens are 49. That is equal to 169. 13 into 13. That is square. S square minus 2 sevens are 14x. 169. 13 into 13. Now you can transpose s square plus s square. That means 2s square minus 14x. Then 49 minus 169. plus 49 minus 169. That is equal to 0. That means 2x square minus 14x minus 14x. Then minus 49 120. That is equal to 0. You can divide by 2. Divide by 2, all terms. Divide by 2. Because divisible, power of 2, no. This multiplication of 2. Divide by 2. That means s square minus 7x minus 60. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Now do the multiplication is 60 minus 60 and addition is minus 7. Which are the numbers? Both are minus. Now one minus, one plus. What is this? 60. Per 12 5s are 50.
Sir,
Okay.
how 120?
169 minus 49, how much? 49 minus 169. 169
Sir,
minus.
minus 49. Minus 49, no?
How minus 49? Listen here. S minus 7 whole square, how much? A minus B whole square, how much? Avoid the confusion. There is no minus. A square minus 2AB plus B square. It will be plus. That means S square minus 2AB. 2 sevens are 14x. 14x plus 7 square. 7 sevens are 49 plus 49. This 169,
Okay,
we got 13 square is equal to 169. We are transposing. 169 minus 49. Exactly. 49. This is 0 to 120. 120 minus 120. Clear?
okay, sir.
Okay, fine, good. You have to ask. Any doubt is that you can ask. Because you have limitation, it is not classroom. If it is a classroom, by looking your face, I can understand. Okay. So, here 12 and x, here x. You have to fill something here. I have to fill something here. Here two numbers, 12 and 5. 12, 5. Okay, 12, 5 are 60. Then 12 minus 5 now. 5 minus 12. Minus 12 and plus 5. Minus 12 and plus 5. Now listen here, look here. S minus 12, here you have to put 0. Children, you understood this step? If you are not following, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Ria, yes. Rana, yes. Now, S minus 12 is equal to 0. S is equal to 12. X is equal to minus 5. Isn't here? X is equal to 12. X is equal to minus 5. Now what to do? Here x is equal to 12. Minus 5 will not work out because it is side of a triangle. It will not be minus. Now what is the question? The question is find the other two sides, not x. You have to find out other two sides. So tell me which are the sides. Up to here, complete this one. And x is equal to 12, you understood? This x is equal to minus 5, it will not work out because side will not be minus 5. That is neglected. We cannot. Side is positive. Minus 5 now, not positive. Side of a triangle is not minus 5. Now we can take x is equal to 12 and find out the other two side. Base is 12 and perpendicular. Tell me what is altitude is equal to. 25. No. I don't want square. I want the side I want. So let the base, you can write base is equal to x is equal to 12 centimeter and the altitude is equal to or perpendicular is equal to what is your perpendicular? X minus 7 that is equal to 12 minus 7 that is equal to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter, that is 5 centimeter. Altitude perpendicular you got 12, no sorry 5, 12 minus 7, 12 minus 7 because this is x is 12, x minus 7. So we got 5 centimeter. Now you can check this one. After getting this, for your satisfaction, you can check this one. Answer not
Sir,
minus
one
5.
more option.
Answer not minus 5. Because your x is 12. Don't take this one. This, no, this is not your answer. This part right there, no. Because the side is not minus. Base is not minus. This is rejected. X is equal to minus 5, right there, rejected. Rejected right there. We rejected it. Why we rejected this one? Why? Why minus 5? I am rejecting. Why? Tell me.
13 triplet by factor by
That is minus.
Why minus
Side
5?
will
Why?
not be minus.
Side will not be minus.
y equal to, I mean x minus 7 equal to 5.
Side will not be minus.
Where is the problem? Tell me. Here x is equal to minus 5 is not the base because it is side. Don't talk in between. Tell me, listen me. Ah, yes, very good. Priya, very good. Side will not be negative. Side will not be negative. Don't confuse my children. This x is not this altitude. Altitude is not x. Altitude is x minus 7. We did like that. Let the base be x and the altitude is x minus 7. Okay, all are telling good, good, good. Some, okay, sorry, some are telling I cannot hear. That is the problem. Outside sound is there. Anyway, you can chat. That is better. Okay, fine. Now we are taking all of you do this. Base is equal to 12 centimeter. From here, it is rejected because right there because the side will not be negative because it is rejected because side cannot be negative. Can't be negative. Now take x is equal to 12 centimeter. That means base is equal to 12 centimeter. Altitude is equal to x minus 7 centimeter. That means 12 minus, your x is 12, 12 minus 7 centimeter. I think you understood this one. Time is running. Really, time is running. Do fast. Very interesting questions are there. Okay. You understood? Any doubt? Any doubt? Tell me any doubt. Okay. No doubt. No doubt. Good, good. Now listen here. I'll give you homework. These all exercise you had to complete. This exercise. Now listen. Only 5, 6 minutes are in front of us. Listen here. Suppose. Okay. See the question. 2s square minus 2 root of 10 x plus 5 that is equal to 0. Factorize. After that, I'll give you a very interesting question. How can we factorize this one? Can you factorize? 2s square minus 2 root x plus 5 that is equal to 0. Try. Exactly, not this. An example. From example, I manipulate. I change the question and I made this one. You try. You had to do this one because same example is there, but number and everything I changed. Try. And if any trap is there, tell me. Try. 2s square minus 2 root 10x plus 5. 2 is outside. X is outside. Root 10 only. And after that, do fast. A very, very interesting question is there. Can you do? Any trap? Look here. Trap is there, sir. Okay. Okay, fine. No trap. Because exactly same. Example, you had to see the example and question. Root 2, root 3 we did. I manipulate only. See, look here. Here, as before, what we did, we are doing multiplication. Mn is equal to, multiplication of two numbers is equal to 2 into 5, that is 10. And addition, m plus n is equal to minus 2 root 10. Tell me two numbers. Multiplication is 10. And addition is minus 2 root 10. Split the middle term. Anybody, please? Anybody? All 16 or 17, 15 are there, please tell. 3, 5 and 5 and 2, okay. 5 twos are 10. But 5 twos are not like this. How to root? Whenever root is coming, you must be very careful. Okay? Okay, I will do. I will. Wait. Listen here. Multiplication is 10. See what is root 10 into root 10? Can I say it is 10? Root 10 into root 10? 48 and
Yes, 10.
root 10 and root 10? That is 10. What is root 10 plus root 10? Tell me what is root 10 plus root 10? Think. Don't say it is, what is root 10 plus root 10? What is 10 plus 10? What is 10 plus 10? No, no, I am misguiding only. No, no, no. I am giving different scattering, different angles. No. Root 10 plus root 10 is not root 20. Listen here carefully. You know root of 100. Root of 100 plus root of 100, you are telling root of 200? Think, this is math. You know root 100 is 10. Root 100 is 10. Am I right or not? It is not root of 200. I can say this is 10 plus 10. 20 is the square root. 10 plus 10. How I got root 100 plus root 100, that is equal to 2 of root 100. That means 2 into 10, that is 20. No, this is wrong. That is why root of x plus root of x, that is equal to 2 root x. Understand properly. But you know root x into root x, that is x. See, root 10 and root 10, you cannot take root 20. So here we can say this is 2 root 10. What we need? Minus. So this is minus and this is minus. It is not easy. You have to think. If you are checking the example, you will get it. I change the numbers only. Root 6 may be there. Minus root 6, minus root 6. And the multiplication also. Now listen here. Here we can split this one. 2s square minus root 10x minus root 10x plus 5. That is equal to 0. All of you write this one. Now we split minus root 10x minus root 10x minus 2 root 10x. Don't say minus 20. Root 10 into root 10, that is 10. Root 10 into root 10, that is 10. Minus 2 root 10. You understood this one? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so understand the trap. Past papers question. Okay, fine. Now split the middle term as before. You can split this one very easily. You are good in that now. Factorization. 2 terms, 2s square, root x. Now here, again, x I can take 2. Here, root 2. Okay, you can take, you can try, whatever be that. Here we can say I'm taking root 2. Root 2 x outside. So root 2 into root 2, root 2x. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 2s square. Here, root 5, root 10 means root of 10. We can write root of 2 into root of 5. So root 2x I took outside. So here, root 5. root 5, root 2, root 10, x. After that, we can follow our same method. The bag is with you. You can do that. Open the bag. Here also, same. We need the same thing. You had to write same. Root 2x minus root 5. Root 2x minus root 5. What we need? I think 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Take root 5 outside. Root 5, root 2, root 10x minus. Now the answer is root 2x. X is outside, my dears. X is outside minus root of 5. That back filled. Then what is left there? Root 2x. Root 2x minus root 2 5. That is equal to 0. Here you are free. You can write 0. Write 0, please. Okay, how you took root 2 outside? Okay, fine. Listen here. Good question. Listen here. This is factorization I am doing here. Listen. All of you listen here. Good question. Good. 2 I can say root 2 into s square minus root 2 into root 5 into x. See, this part I am doing. Up to here only I am doing. 2 means root 2 into root 2. 10 means root 2 into root 5, root 10. Thirds, class 9 you studied. Multiplication and division. Not addition. Addition I told you today, don't confuse. Now it is clear? Root 2. Root 2 I am taking outside. Root 2 here. So this will be root 2. And x I am taking outside. So it will be s. Then from here again root 2 I took outside. Minus I am not touching. Root 5. Root 5. X is outside. Multiply and see you get the same answer. 2 square minus root 10x. If you are multiplying this one, you will get the same answer. Look, for your doubt, what I got? Root 2x into root 2x minus root 5. If I am multiplying, what is root 2 into root 2? 2. X into x, s square. What is root 2 into root 5? That is root 10. X, exactly same thing. See, there is no difference. You are right. Are you following or not? It is not easy. One trap is there. That means square, square root, radicals. Are you following? Are you following or not? Any doubt? Clear? Yes, good. That means the answer is not over. You have to do more, one more question is 4 mark question. Now, root 2x is equal to 0. Root 2x minus root 5, that is equal to 0. Root 2x minus root 5, that is repeating, root 2x minus root 5. So, we can say root 2x, that is equal to root 5. Root 2x is equal to root 5. Then x is equal to root 5 by root 2 or square root of 5 by 2. Both the case, same thing. Here also same thing, square root of 5 by 2. 2 root, square root of 5 by 2. Interesting question. Time is running out. I want to at least Write the last question because very interesting nowadays. A gold question. Last but not the least, very interesting question I told you. Finish? This understood? Any doubt you can ask me. Then only I can tell you that today's question. No doubt, mashallah, great. Because a trap question. You can refer the example here, quadratic equation, page number. All of you from home, refer. Find the roots of the quadratic equation, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Morning, from this question only I made the question. I changed the question and I checked the two. Page number 2075, example 5. All example you had to do. Then homework, exercise 4.2. Solve the problems given in example 1. That you have to do. Question 2. Altitude I did. Two consecutive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. And find two numbers whose sum is 27, product is 182. Question 2, 4, and 6, homework. Question 2, 4, homework. Question 2, 4, 6. Even numbers. Other we did. Now one more question, very interesting I told you. Let me finish the question. But don't underestimate the question. Maybe this day-to-day life, what is going on in the maybe gold, maybe diamond, something like that. Okay, write the question. All of you write the question. Radha and Swapna. Radha and one name only, Swapna. Together have Radha and Swapna together have 2%. They are both doing business. Together have 45 kilogram gold. You know, expensive gold. Don't use too much gold. All religion is against that. Okay. Radha and Swapna, they are maybe merchant, maybe business, gold merchant. Radha and Swapna together have 45 kilogram gold. Both of them lost 5 kilogram gold. Both of them lost 5 kilogram each. They lost 5 kilogram gold, maybe something like that. After years, many years, they have the gold. Both of them lost 5 kilogram each. And the product of weight of gold. Now, they lost 5 kilogram each. The product of weight of the gold now. Weight of their gold. Not their weight of their gold. The product of the weight of their gold now is gold. Now is 124 kilogram. Great. 124 kilogram. Radha and Swapna together have 45 kilogram gold. Both of them lost 5 kilogram each, maybe customs, whatever be that, or thief, whatever be that, I don't know. The product of the weight of their gold now is 124 kilogram. Now complete the question. What is the question? What I have to find out? What you have to find out? Last part of the question, tell me. Anybody please? Anna, Priya, if you understood the question, tell me the last part. How much and Swapna has? Very nice, excellent. How much they had at the starting? How much gold they had at the beginning? They are doing business before 10 years maybe. Please don't connect it with any issues nowadays. Gold issues are the, please don't. From your example only I took and I manipulated only. Okay, fine. Radha and Swapna together have 45 kilogram gold, gold merchant. Maybe before 10 years, it is not important here. Both of them lost 5 kilogram each. They got, Radha got 5 kilogram and Krishna, now what is this? Swapna also lost 5 kilogram because of checking like that or loss, something like that. Income tax, sales tax, whatever without thief nowadays. Both of them lost 5 kilogram. The product weight of their gold is 125 kilogram. Find the gold at the beginning. I think the question is interesting and you understood also. Not hard. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to form quadratic equation and solve the solution. X you can take. X kilogram gold, Radha, the Swapna how much, as before we can do, and product of that, and this you are getting 124, and quadratic equation. You can form, you got it, and you can solve. Can you? You understood the question? Yes, okay, you can do. Try, this is a homework, last homework. Okay then, now we talk many things about the quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. Then again, question one more, read. Okay, listen here. Good. Radha and Swapna together have 45 kilogram gold. Together have 45 kilogram gold. Both of them lost 5 kilogram each. Suppose Radha has X and Swapna has 45 minus X, correct? 45 minus X. Then both of them lost 5 kilogram. That means Radha has S minus 5 and Swapna has 45 minus S minus 5. That means 40 minus X. I am right, it's telling the step. 40 minus X. Here X minus 5. Now product of the weight of their gold. That means X minus 5 into 40 minus X. That is equal to 124. You got the quadratic equation, solve it. Now understood the question, clear? Question is clear. And no writing is legible because I don't want to see this one. Yes. Okay then. Thank you. Thank you very much. And have a nice day. But one thing about your answer sheet, I am happy because some children got, especially girls. Girls are better than boys or boys are better, I will see. Full mark I can say, maybe lost half mark, 1 mark like that. Alhamdulillah, good.